You know, it's almost like your birthday with a package from China, so let's go. So it's time for the Pocket 2. This is more like a Nintendo Switch lookalike device that can play some Famicom games. So I picked this up. I didn't really pick it up. It was a fellow collector who sent it to me, and no, it was not for free. But so what are we going to get? It's an, let's say, more a plug and play device or a small controller where you can plug in Famicom games that you plug into your television, or basically a console plug and play, whatever. It comes with 103 games built in. Really no clue what kind of games you can get an idea what it is, but if there are homebrew games or if they are not and putting licensed game on it, don't know. We need to figure out, plug it in, and it has an RCA, so that's really old school. See, there normally you have these in two different colors. So funny that they always ripping off the Nintendo Switch somehow. Alright, let's see what's inside. It comes with a very thick poster lookalike manual or overview what kind of games are on it. Hey, let's see. Racing. Oh my god, the F-22 is on it. So this means only homebrew games. That's a bummer. Okay, let's see. It works on batteries, so it's really a plug and play system. Very weird measurements, if you ask me. Itchy on my nose. You can see it, but itchy on my nose. Alright. We have a D-pad. Wow, this feels quite horrible. Chemical plastic. Reset button, start. So this is, the spring has a very good tension. AV outline over here. I forgot to put the cable in it, but nevertheless I have one. It's a smaller jack version, and let's see what we have here. This one even needs four AAA batteries, so we're going to put them in. This is what we're going to get. Let's find out if it's working. Alright, so batteries are in. It was a freaking nightmare to put them in. Let's power it on. Let's see if something happens. And yes indeed. We're having all of those homebrew games that you can find on a lot of systems nowadays, because they are not naughty anymore. No. Balloon shoot. So I can tell you already, the games are not the best. No, this is what you're going to get, people. 103 crappy games. Only there's one game that's pretty cool. That is F-22. Yeah. The signal output is decent. Oh yeah, the D-pad itself, it's pretty horrible. I don't think it's a very good D-pad. Yeah, turbo button. Oh yeah, let's go. Very challenging game. The stages are a little bit too long if you ask me, but it's fun to play. Just a big shoot 'em. No, I lost my power up. No. Alright, F-22. If you look at more of my videos, you know I like the game. So this is a pretty fun game to play. Let's play Racing Fighter. Is this something we can enjoy? Oh, yeah. I remember it again. It was a really funny game, just a basic racing game. And, you know. Pretty basic. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And if they're riding in your lane, just shoot them. Pretty challenging. Crap. And the fuel is basically your timer. Don't have a brake, you just need to let go of the gas button. Okay, come on, I can do it, I can do it. There's no background zone. It's a little bit of a bummer. Oh, okay, I don't know what happened over there, but... I'm out of bullets. Oh crap, I thought I had unlimited bullets. So is there no end coming to this, or? Alrighty then. Alright, I put in this card just for the video to test it out. You can see if you move the card itself, it's glitching out. So there's a little bit of a bummer. So it roars indeed with Famicom games, pretty cool. Oh, there's only one thing that I just realized. This device doesn't have a select button, and it says here, press the select button for your language. Oh my god, so that makes this pretty useless. Oh, and this is something I'm getting very often. Yeah, it's a really bit annoying, to be honest. I tried to put in this card and it's not filthy, simply because it's a brand new card. And yes, it works, oh yeah. Alright, I'm just going to check the collection. Oh, come on, man! Alright, I grabbed myself another game and finally it starts working, yay! Alright. Oh crap, I touched the card. Oh no, it still works, oh yeah. Let me say it. The funny thing is, if you're holding the system, it feels very comfortable. It's very thick, so... Next game. Okay, let's see if this works fine. The reason why I always choose Christmas, beside the point, I love the soundtrack. I am familiar with the soundtrack, so I know how it needs to sound. Let's see. This sounds quite good. Okay. Still have this idea, it sounds good but a little bit different. Alright. Oh yeah, cheating away, man, cheating away. Okay. Where is my freaking button to... Ah, the slash, here it is. Alright people, for the final conclusion, what do I think of this? The idea behind it is pretty funny. Yes, you have this, let's say this plug and play, pocket play or Famicom play. Pretty cool. I really like the measurements of the device. It feels very comfortable to play. But the D-pad, it's not great. And missing out the select button. So, beside the point, you need to, let's say if you want to play together with a buddy, that is not possible. So you don't need the select button for that. But if you need to go to the options, or for example, you have this card that needs select button, otherwise you cannot play it. Yeah, that is a problem. So, and not to forget, if you're putting in the card itself, it's almost impossible because of the stupid valve that's in it. The dust cover valve, or how you want to call this. When you slightly move it or you wiggle too much with the wiggle with the system itself, it will freeze and will glitch. So, in overall, it's a funny product, but it is not very great. Fun to collect, but really to play for a long time. Nah. Alright, well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell. And if you like some gameplay, check out the Wicked Gaming channel. Let's go.